How long to cook the different types of lentils. Lentils, a versatile and nutrient-packed legume, have been a staple in diets worldwide for centuries. They're celebrated not only for their affordability and health benefits, but also for their adaptability in various dishes. Whether you're making hearty soups, flavorful curries, or refreshing salads, lentils often take center stage. However, the key to perfect lentil dishes lies in understanding how long to cook the different types of lentils, as each variety has unique properties and cooking requirements. Before diving into cooking times, it's important to recognize the main types of lentils and their characteristics. This knowledge will help you choose the right lentil for your dish and cook it to perfection. Red lentils, split and whole. Known for their vibrant orange or reddish hue, red lentils are often used in Indian dals, soups, and purees. They cook quickly and tend to break down into a creamy consistency, making them ideal for dishes where a smooth texture is desired. Green lentils. These lentils are firm, earthy, and slightly peppery. They hold their shape well after cooking, making them suitable for salads, side dishes, and entrees where a distinct texture is desired. Brown lentils. A popular variety, brown lentils are versatile and mild in flavor. They're commonly used in soups, stews, and casseroles due to their ability to hold shape moderately well while softening enough to blend seamlessly into broths. Black lentils, beluga lentils. Small and dark, black lentils resemble caviar when cooked. They're prized for their firm texture and delicate, earthy flavor. These lentils are often used in gourmet dishes, side salads, and elegant presentations. Specialty lentils, French lentils or lentil de Puy. Known for their robust flavor and firm texture, French lentils are a subset of green lentils grown in the Puy region of France. They're perfect for dishes where a hearty texture and pronounced flavor are essential. Lentil cooking times vary depending on the variety, age, and whether they're pre-soaked. The following sections detail the average cooking times and techniques for each type. Red lentils cooking time, 10 to 15 minutes. Texture, creamy, soft. Red lentils. Cooking preparation. Inspect red lentils for debris and rinse under cold water until the water runs clear. Red lentils cooking method. In a pot, combine 1 cup of red lentils with 2 to 2.5 cups of water or broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Cook uncovered for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Red lentils cook rapidly, so keep an eye on them to prevent overcooking. They'll naturally break down, creating a creamy consistency ideal for purees or thick soups. Green lentils. Cooking time, 35 to 45 minutes. Texture, firm, retains shape. Green lentils. Preparation. Inspect green lentils for debris and rinse them under cold water until the water runs clear. Soaking is optional, but reduces cooking time by about 5 to 10 minutes. Green lentils. Cooking method. Combine 1 cup of green lentils with 2.5 to 3 cups of water or broth. Bring to a boil, then lower the heat to simmer. Cook uncovered, stirring occasionally, for 35 to 45 minutes, or until tender but firm to the bite. Green lentils benefit from a touch of acidity, such as a splash of vinegar or lemon juice, after cooking to enhance their flavor. Brown lentils. Cooking time, 20 to 30 minutes. Texture, soft, slightly holds shape. Brown lentils. Preparation. Inspect brown lentils for debris and rinse them under cold water until the water runs clear. Brown lentils. Cooking method. Add 1 cup of brown lentils to 3 cups of water or broth. Bring to a boil and reduce to a simmer. Cook uncovered for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Brown lentils are a workhorse in the kitchen, offering flexibility for soups, stews, and blended dishes. Black lentils, beluga lentils. Cooking time, 25 to 30 minutes. Texture, firm, holds shape. Black lentils, beluga lentils. Preparation, inspect black lentils for debris and rinse them under cold water until the water runs clear. Soaking is unnecessary for these small lentils. Black lentils, beluga lentils. Cooking method. Combine 1 cup of black lentils with 2.5 cups of water or broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer. Cook uncovered for 25 to 30 minutes, testing for desired firmness. Black lentils retain their structure well and pair beautifully with vinaigrettes, roasted vegetables, or seafood. French lentils, lentils de Puy. Cooking time, 30 to 35 minutes. Texture, firm, holds shape. French lentils, lentils de Puy. Preparation. Inspect French lentils for debris and rinse them under cold water until the water runs clear. Soaking is optional but not required. French lentils, lentil de Puy. Cooking method. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Cook uncovered for 30 to 35 minutes. French lentils shine in salads and as a base for robust vegetable dishes. Their rich flavor makes them a favorite among chefs. Seasoning. Avoid adding acidic ingredients like tomatoes, vinegar, or citrus until the lentils are fully cooked. Acidity can prolong cooking time. Salt. Add salt midway through cooking to allow the lentils to soften before seasoning. Cooking liquid. Use broth instead of water for enhanced flavor. Monitoring. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking, especially for split lentils. Storage. Cooked lentils can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week or frozen for 3 to 4 months. Cooking lentils to perfection requires an understanding of their unique characteristics and optimal cooking times. From the creamy texture of red lentils to the firm bite of French lentils, each variety brings its own charm to your dishes. By following the guidelines outlined above, you can elevate your culinary creations and make the most of this nutritious legume. Whether crafting a hearty soup, a delicate salad, or a rich curry, mastering lentil cooking will add depth and satisfaction to your meals.